Kia ora koutou. Welcome to part 8 about ngā Momo Kupu. This video is about ngā Pūhea, demonstrative pronouns. We'll be talking about words like this and that, these and those. And by the end of this video, you'll have a much clearer understanding on how they work in Te Reo Māori. In our first video about ngā punga, we looked at e and ki. In this video, we'll be using the particles nei, nā and rā to help us understand Pūhea and how they work. I want to start off by talking about these three punga called deictic or locative particles. They're quite an important feature in Te Reo Māori. They are nei, nā and rā. Nei, near me or near the person speaking. Nā, near you, near the person being spoken to. And rā, away from both the speaker and the person being spoken to. I'll give these guys some names so that we can use them in the example sentences coming up. So this is hone, eru, and pio. When we put the base word, which is te, in front of these words, we create tēnei, tēnā, and Tērā. In Te Reo Pākehā, this near me, that near you, and that over there away from me and you. Let's have a look at some sentence examples now. We'll start with our kupu pātai, he aha. What? Hone is asking Pio, what's this? He aha tēnei. About the thing he's crouching next to, which is a seedling. To answer this question, Pio would say, he te pū tēnā. That thing near you is a seedling. Let's say Pio is now asking about something that's away from both of them. Staying with the kupu pātai hiaha, he would say, he aha tērā. What's that? To which Pio would say, he rākau tērā, that's a tree. Notice that they're both using the kupu tērā to say that, because the thing they're talking about is away from them both. These words can be used in all sorts of ways, in all sorts of settings. Here we have hone asking the question, ko wai, who? Ko wai tērā, who's that? And we have Pio answering the question, ko Elvis tērā. If we were talking about more than one thing, we would apply the rule T for tahi, T for one, drop the T for more than one. So we would end up with ēnei, ēnā, and ērā. He aha ēnei. What are these? He puti puti ēnā. Those are flowers. These kupu can also be used in an alternative dialect with a W. He aha wēnei. He puti puti wēnā. This mita or dialect is prevalent in Te Tai Tokerau, the far north of Aotearoa. So ko tāku paku whakamarama o ngā Pūhea tēnā. My brief overview of demonstrative pronouns. This, that, these and those. I hope you found some things in this video that you can take away and start using straight away. A great way to practice these would be to find a learning buddy, use a range of objects to ask and answer the questions, he aha tēnei, he aha tēnā, he aha tērā, those types of pātai. You'll find some practice activities for these and a whole lot of other kaupapa on the website or the Google Classroom. Ngā mihi nui kia koutou katoa. Kia ora.